In Arizona, how often have fathers been represented in custody and divorce cases? Attorney Ronald Thomas explains that. I have been representing fathers in Arizona for almost 20 years. For the first 10 years, I represented men and women at about the same rate. During that time, I noticed how much easier it was to represent mothers. I had a much easier time convincing judges to give mothers primary custody. Intuitively, I realized that discrimination was taking place. I saw how devastated men were when they lost adequate access to their own children. I saw how devious and vindictive some mothers were, even to the point of poisoning their own children's minds against their fathers. I spent an enormous amount of time researching better techniques for offsetting the inherent bias some judges may have against fathers, and after implementing some of those techniques, I began seeing dramatic improvement in my ability to convince a judge that the father is equally capable of parenting his own children. After doing this for some time, word began to spread about me, and I began representing lots of police officers, paramedics, tradesmen, and others who wanted an attorney who focuses mostly on representing fathers in custody cases and men in divorce cases. If you do a Google search for fathers' rights attorneys in Arizona, you'll see that I am often the first organic search result, or at least on the first page. Over the past 10 years, I have shifted my practice to mostly representing men, although I do represent women from time to time, and when I do, they get the same level of dedication and energy I expend on cases in which I represent fathers in divorces and custody cases. Do not wait to call us. Call us now so that we can get started on building a successful case for you. We can be reached at 602-788-1395 or at thomaslawoffice.net.